Hadian balapin sange shwai ki election MLA jaka Sohiong constituency nakadaw nga jiklan no ba HDR ling no uwe di ki Kyrtong umambut banyak kone nga di election hakakat pradari uye yung RHR play u Kyrtong babi bujli yu ura labor file ki nomination jang u hadian bagi election commission jang India kalapin banay katarik election Hanga ni kasila sedran lang yu ba sanchar kuparoy thaba no president kaseng ba ben paling do uba polling do barba alam tri khar rekan berkino kershan jong
I, Shri Sinshar Kupar Roy Lingdor Thaba, have been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 23 Sohiong ST's constituency Legislative Assembly. Do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. I'm here, his replacement. I'm here, a continuation of his work and his legacy. And one important thing, the people of Sohiong constituency are praying every day and want to produce lawmaker, not just legislator. Legislator who will speak in the assembly, legislator who will voice out the people's pain and grief. The youth are angry. People are watching. I am being watched as I speak. Serious bills and subjects are being moved in the assembly like the last session. We need intellectuals to speak and debate for better laws, for the betterment, for the future, for the security, for the safety, and for the welfare of the people of the constituency, the state, and also for Kari Bat Kajajandri. Thank you.
Abang kajin kuno dia anak bawa pi video way boleh percaya iba SDR mentah cenderung iba SDR
gila.
Yo ya kan iba buat betul umum juga.
Yang bi kata tadi kekam gabarim ikini jonga do senam jonga pitana Kyrteng ru Sinshar Kupar Roy Lingdo Thaba ka Kyrteng pedeng ru Kupar Roy dei mahe jonga ba ni Kyrteng Kupar Roy don Kupar Roy Lingdo mga Sinshar Kupar Roy Lingdo Thaba
pidana yu banong habai dei bat performance jong ba samlin kumu MLA
ngari om pedi sa pangani rewe kalian ngape jaldi I'm confident I will move on and I know I'm confident in this election ko akhirnya pangno comment ada party
ba HDR rapor ba i-file ka nomination ni ong ba in fix ka damage bala le daw taw MLA hatu piru pin yeng ha jo anong rem nam
oh di kini jangan long ni bagi kane ka bomanta I have repair long but repair the damage done by the last ex MLA so menta aru ngari continuation jungi ngari sai beteng jungi pon pe ki mati ki jungi ki bare ki kam ki vision ki jungi ngadi continuation ya kam jungi publish buat